Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp19 Excel Chapter 4 Cap Assessment Rockville AutoSales. In its project description, you work for Rockville AutoSales and you have been asked to add in development of spreadsheet to manage the sales and inventory information. You will start the task with the previous worksheet that contain vehicle information and sales data for 2018. You need to convert the data into table. You will manage the large worksheet, prepare the worksheet for printing, sort and filter the table, include calculations and then format the table. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel download and open file name chapter 4 app chapter auto sales. I have already opened this file. That's our file. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Cengage course, Pearson Plus course, or Canvas course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan my WhatsApp barcode which is given in the first and at the end of this video. Now we will move to our second step. Freeze the first row on the fleet information worksheet. We will go, that is our fleet information worksheet. We will make this one as a freeze top row. Now it's freeze. We will move to our third step. Convert the data to a table and name the table inventory. We will copy this. We will convert this data to a table. We will go to the insert tab and then select table with the header and make this table name as a inventory. And what we do next, apply the gold table style medium 19. So we will go to the gold medium table style medium 19. That is our required table, gold table style medium 19. That's our third step. Our fourth step is remove the duplicate records. So we will go to remove the duplicate record. We'll go to the data tabs. Here we will select remove duplicates and we will press OK. 3 duplicates value found and removed. That's our step. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is use the sort dialog box to sort the table by make in alphabetical order. So we will go to the sort. We will go to the home tab and here we will select the custom sort. Custom sort will be by make in alphabetical order, and the second level by year smallest to largest, and the third level by sticker price smallest to largest. So we will go to by make first, that is by make, then by what is then by year, and then by sticker price smallest to largest and press OK. Now it's applied. Our sorted value is applied. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is repeat the field name on the all pages. So we will go to the page layout. Here in the page setup where we will go to the sheet and here we will select row to repeat at the top. So we will select this row. This will repeat at the top of every page and press OK. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is change the page break so each vehicle make is printed on separate page. So you will go to the page breaks and here you will insert a page break and you will move this page break by your own by one. So that's our seventh step. Our eighth step is add a custom footer with your name on the left side. So we will go to the custom footer custom footer with with your name. So my name is will be, what is my name, like my name is Ali, so I will put Ali here. Custom footer, sheet name code in the center, so sheet name code will be in the center, here in the center, sheet name and code, and the file name code at the right side, and that is our file name code at the right side. So press OK. We have applied our custom footer on this file. That's our 8th step. Our 9th step is click on the sales information worksheet and convert the data to a table and name the table as a sales. We will go to the sales information worksheet. That's our sales information worksheet. We will insert a table here with the header and name this table as a sales. Apply green table dark 11. So we will go to the which one, green table style dark 11. That is green table style dark 11. That's our 9th step. Our 10th step is type number of percentage of stickers in the cell E1. So we will copy this and paste it in the cell E1 and press enter. So that's our 10th step. We have total 21 steps of this assignment. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the step I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan my WhatsApp barcode, which is given in the front and at the end of the video. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank